gearheads, let's talk about the all-new 2025 Austin Healey 100, a car that's here to redefine the blend of vintage charm and cutting-edge performance. This Roadster pays homage to its 1950s legacy while embracing modern innovation, making it an absolute stunner on today's roads. Starting with the design, the Austin Healey 100 keeps its timeless, sleek silhouette with a long hood, compact rear, and a low-slung stance that screams classic elegance. However, it's not all retro. The LED headlights, refined grille, and aerodynamic tweaks give it a contemporary edge that's hard to ignore. Pop the hood and you'll find a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine pushing out an impressive 300 horsepower. Comes with both a 6-speed manual and an 8-speed automatic option, catering to purists and modern drivers alike. With a 0-60 mph time of under 5 seconds, it's quick, nimble, and undeniably thrilling to drive. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that's both nostalgic and tech-savvy. The leather upholstery, wooden dashboard trim, and classic circular gauges transport you to a bygone era. At the same time, the modern infotainment system with a touchscreen, an Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto ensures you're connected wherever you go. On the performance front, the lightweight chassis and sport-tuned suspension make cornering a breeze. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tearing up winding country roads, the Austin Healey 100 delivers an exhilarating ride. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist bring peace of mind to every journey. Priced around $75,000, this beauty is a limited edition masterpiece, perfect for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Stay tuned to Car Trend for more updates and exclusive content about this extraordinary car.